Feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I.
What's going on, guys? Hey, we back at it with another banger. So today the stocks, they went crazy with crazy volatility. So we pull up, the US supply chain fell unexpectedly 0.1% in August. So the stocks reacted pretty crazy to that. So the first part of the day, so let's get into the actual the numbers for the day. So the SPY finished the day off up 0.29%, an equivalent of $1.88. Now the QQQQs went up equivalent of 0.03%, or the equivalent of only 20 cents. And the Dow 30 went up. Actually, the Dow fell 0.45%, or the equivalent of $2.04. So what does that mean for the market, guys? I already told you all what happens when stocks and equities reach all-time highs. When they reach all-time highs, the news, the reports, all the data, they come up with these numbers to drop the stock. So now we have PPI, Producer Performance Index. So now tomorrow we have core CPI. So CPI is expected to come out 8:30 tomorrow. And that's also going to bring a lot of volatility in the stock market. But it doesn't matter what happens in the stock market, whether it moves up or whether it moves down. I day trade. We day trade in our community. So we capitalize whether the stock goes up with volatility or whether the stock goes down with volatility. So we're going to get into the charts and show you all how we capitalize on the PPI numbers today. So inside of my Discord, we live day traded, and I'll show you all the contracts and the stocks that we're getting into and ones that we got out of, and I'll show you the gains that we made from today in the market. So if y'all ready, come follow me. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, so we got our Robinhood pulled up, and I'm gonna show you all the trades that we executed, that we got in on from the volatility in the morning. So if you go down to SPY, so we executed contracts on the SPY. So we're gonna go down. So we bought 3 654 SPY calls at 9:31 for a total of $147.12. We then start trimming our positions. So we sold one 2 minutes later at 9:33 a.m. for a $12 profit. We then sold another one the same minute for a $14 profit. And then we sold one another minute later at 9:34 a.m. for another $16 profit. Because guys, I'm gonna show you something on the charts and show you how we capitalize on that. So you seen that's a $14.34, so that's a $44 profit in 2 minutes, leveraging only $100. So I don't know where else you're gonna go to get those returns, but like I said, we live day trading inside of our community. And if you wanna get in on the plays, I'll show you now. I'll show you why. So we're gonna pull up the SPY chart. So we got the 3 minute. So guys, if you watch this is what we did. So check this out. Anytime the stocks fall on market opening, that presents you opportunities to buy back to the downside. So if you take a look at this, so the SPY, it opened up literally falling. So what do? When you're trading stock options, it's a lot of potential and a lot of volatility on the market opens. So we waited till that volatility hit towards the bottom of our box, which is the box that's the high and low of the day. And we matched it with the RSI. So the RSI was literally right at 30. Guys, anytime the RSI is at 30, it's a great opportunity to buy, because that's letting me know that the RSI wants to naturally get back to the 50% mark. So what did we do? We waited. We seen manipulation, aka this long tail candle. And then what do we have right after the manipulation? Displacement. So that's where we sold ours in this candle right here. So we took it from 652 all the way to 653, like 50. That's when I sold mine. Because guys, we already identified what's going on with the manipulation in the market. And what did it do after that? It displaced. So this is how the stock market moves. You have manipulation to either the upside or the downside, which is in form of a long tail candle. And then you have displacement, a big solid bar with the true move. Because for manipulation, it takes smart money. And for displacement, you also need smart money. So that's how we capitalize on our contracts today, guys. So if you're interested, so that's all we got for you today. So if you all are interested in joining our Discord, make sure you sign in the link in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe to all our videos and follow along with our daily content, because every single day we print money. And we're going to help you print money too. Have a blessed day. Peace.
Damn game, nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. All the time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I